if you feel connected to something on a very personal level, you will definitely care about it. Environmental education is the key to make people feel connected to the environment and to the planet.
If you turn to the right side, you can see the reed belt. That is the nature zone, so this is the part of the national park where no one is allowed to go. Yeah, the grey cattle, they're over there at the very back. The reed belt in the Lake Neusiedlersee is the second largest reed belt in Europe. And so it's really also an important area for all types of animals that are living in the reed.
If we grow up in an industrial education system, and many adults have done so, they are deprived of joy. Joy in doing something. And we find as human beings joy just in very different things. We are not the same.
Everybody here? Where's the last canoe? Okay guys, we are now in the reed belt. How do you like it? Yeah.
We need to give in our education systems this opportunity that every child finds joy and connects this joy with a purpose. But we need to start with joy.
I found one last thing before we can go. A water bug. Wow. This one is really cool because he breathes with his butt.
Oh.
Kind of. You can see like he takes an air bubble.
Oh yeah.
With his butt. Oh, now you saw it when he takes the air.
There are so many great initiatives all around the world that very often feel powerless because they feel like they don't have enough impact in what they are doing. So we want to connect all these little initiatives in a vast network and make it immediately visible that all of us together, many small flames, are creating one big light that is having a huge impact on the planet.